Hello everyone. Today's recipe is a vegetarian recipe. It's called Masala Bhindi or Okra. So for this recipe I'll be using frozen bhindi because it's just very convenient, and I have it in my freezer. I can just take it out and cook it very quickly within half an hour. So I have 2 bags of bhindi, half cup of fried onion, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half cup of oil, and then I have a tablespoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Because I am using 2 packs, if you just want to make 1 pack, you can adjust the spices according to your taste. And then I have 1 sliced onion and 2 medium-sized tomatoes sliced, and then I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then 2 large green chilies cut into halves, or you can use this for small size green chilies. So here I'm just going to heat the pot, and then I'm going to pour the oil and add the cumin seeds in there, and then I'll add the green chilies and just let it sizzle for a couple of seconds. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the fried onion and then stir fry it for about another 4 to 5 seconds. Again, I don't want to get it burned, and then I'll just go ahead and add the tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, quickly fry it for another 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'll go ahead and add all the spices that I showed you earlier into the tomatoes and the fried onion. So there, I'm just going to give it a quick mix, and I will cover the pot and let it simmer on like a low medium heat for only like 5 minutes. There, after 5 minutes, you can see the tomatoes are cooked, and I will just mash the any of the tomatoes because they've already softened up, so it's easy to just mash and make it into a paste just with the spoon. And then I'll go ahead and add the fresh onion because I do want the onion like I don't want to cook the onion inside. I just want to I want them to be a bit firm, not soft, like not totally softened in there. And then I'll just go ahead, add the okra because it's frozen. I will just cover it, cover, and then leave it there for another 5 minutes on like low to medium heat. So after I uncovered the pot, the bhindi or okra is ready. It's cooked. I will stir fry it for another minute or two, and you can see it's fully done. You can have your favorite bread or plain rice. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.